Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this 4M CAD Axis VM architecture, and today we are going to see another command of the AutoREG group of commands. The topic specifically will be how to specify points, and the main purpose after these points is to build the 3D building plot which we are going to cover in our next lesson. So this family of commands includes a series of special options through which the user can specify the points of the building plot. This is quite simple. So AutoREG specify points. We have four options. First one is to specify single points. So we can either click or give a point through the coordinates, because in the end we are inserting a point. So point, and we can do it in several ways. Second option, it is something called distances from two points. This option in particular is very useful in the case that the distance of the point you want to specify from two others already specified are known. So basically we give a point, we give another point, and we insert distances from one point, from another point, and we give a side which can be this one, so it will create a third point. Then we have two options to work with the tachymeter. So we can import points from a tachymeter. So we can import them. I don't have a prepared file because this is a special format. It is useful in the case that we can deal a series of tachymeter readings, so we can use this option. And also we can import a tachymeter file in ASCII format from this last option, so we can import it also, and it contains also the readings from the tachymeter. We will see about the 3D building plot in the next video, and again with the future examples that we will publish. All of these commands and options will be connected and probably will help the understanding of all of these commands. Any help that you may need about these or other topics, you know how to reach, so we are here for your support.